The Tabby Cat's Grand Feast. Another beautiful morning. Time to feed the goats. A well-fed goat is a happy goat, and a happy goat makes for a delicious dinner. Eat up, my friends. Today, we go on a grand adventure. Every good meal starts with a journey. A well-exercised goat is a tasty goat. Patience, the secret to a perfect dish. From pasture to plate. A journey well spent. Looks like the food is good. Now time to cook. Wow, that smells so good. I can't wait. I'm really hungry right now. It's so good. Please follow me for the next video.